Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today I am sharing some oil pastel techniques. I have taken a simple paper and secured it with the sellotape. Check the link given in the description about using sellotape as masking tape. First technique is heavy pressure blending. In this, you have to apply the oil pastel in one direction on paper and then other oil pastel in the other direction. Now layer the orange oil pastel over yellow oil pastel and then vice versa. You have to apply the pastels heavily. I have done some of the drawings using this technique. You can check the link given below. By doing this, your oil pastel gets dirty. So to clean this, use any cloth or tissue paper. Now the second method is light pressure blending. In this, you have to lightly add oil pastel on paper with the light pressure. Use some different or dark oil pastels to get different hues. Mostly light pressure blending is not used nowadays, but still it will be used to draw some trees or some sceneries. So the third method is the most popular technique which all of us use the most. That is paper napkin blending. For this, first apply a layer of light color followed by some dark color of that same shade, and then at last you can apply black color. I have said this for this drawing, but in general you have to apply a rich layer of oil pastel followed with other color and just simply blend to achieve your desired hues. Now I am using a small piece of tissue paper for blending the colors. First start blending the lighter color, then blend the darker one. So like this you have to blend the colors, and you can also make a beautiful scenery with this. Fourth one is stippling technique. In this method, start applying lighter color like dots and then layer additional colors for depth within this technique. Here I have used yellow oil pastel as light color and then used light green and at last used forest green. As you can see, I have made a lot of yellow dots in the upper part and then it gradually decreased in the lower part. Then I applied light green in the middle part and at last I applied forest green. So I made lot of forest green dots in the lower part and less dots in the upper part. So you can use this stippling technique for making trees. It really looks good. I will mention some of the links below in the description, just check it out. Now it's turn for Scrappy technique. For this you can apply single or various colors of oil pastel. Here I used total 6 different colors of oil pastel. So this is your first layer. Now cover it with a second layer of black oil pastel. Remember, you have to apply pressure and cover this area completely. Now use any of these tools for scraping out the image or pattern. You can use a toothpick or rounder or paper knife, or you can also use the scraping tool which is given with the oil pastel pack. And also use the brush to clean the surface. The scraping tool have different designs which will let you to make different patterns. You can see I have made different designs with this. You can also try this. And the last technique is scribbling technique. In this, you apply scribbled marks of oil pastel. Add more layers of various colors to get the desired value and texture. I will upload a video on this, so check its link below in the description. So these are all the techniques used in oil pastel. So what's your favorite technique? Let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching this and have a nice day. Part 2 will soon be uploaded. So stay connected.